Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Liberty Mutual easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with budgeting using Liberty Mutual, first, visit their official website. Look for the budgeting or financial tools section. Once there, locate the budgeting calculator or tool provided. Click on the budgeting tool to open it. You will be prompted to create an account or log in. If you're new to Liberty Mutual, follow the steps to sign up for an account. Fill in your personal information as required. After logging in, you will see various budgeting options. Choose the option that fits your financial needs best. Input your monthly income from all sources. Next, list your regular monthly expenses. Be sure to include necessities like housing, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Once your income and expenses are entered, review your budget summary. Check to ensure that all figures are accurate. Analyze your monthly expenses to identify areas for potential savings. Liberty Mutual may suggest savings based on your input. Adjust your budget as necessary to create a balanced plan. Consider setting aside a portion for savings and emergencies. After finalizing your budget, save your settings within your account. Review your budget regularly to stay on track. Utilize Liberty Mutual's resources to refine your budgeting strategy. Take advantage of their customer support if you have questions. With consistent effort, you'll see improvements in your financial situation over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.